Hey guys! Are you want to buy best roof racks? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best roof racks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ecotric 3-place Weed Eater Rack Carrier Mount. The 3-place lockable trimmer rack is a durable and practical solution for safely transporting and storing trimmers, edgers, and shaft head shears. Designed to fit any enclosed landscape trailer, it can also be adapted for open off-road trucks with simple modifications. Standing 47-inch tall, this rack features 3 key-to-like locks, hardware included, to keep your equipment secure and protected from scratches during transport. Built to rigorous quality standards, the powder-coated finish resists rust, sun damage, rain, and weathering, ensuring long-lasting durability. Installation is straightforward, bolting easily to the trailer's upper and lower side rails. Memory foam pads on the hooks prevent tools from rotating, adding extra protection. This lockable trimmer rack combines heavy-duty construction with user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for landscapers and professionals seeking organized, secure, and reliable equipment storage on the go. Now our second product is MaxxHaul Roof Rack. This cargo basket is an excellent solution for instantly expanding your vehicle's storage capacity when equipped with cross bars. Measuring a generous 46 inches by 36 inches by 4.5 inches, it provides ample space for hauling gear, luggage, camping equipment, or other bulky items that won't fit inside your vehicle. The basket is easy to assemble and install, with all necessary mounting hardware included for a hassle-free setup. It attaches securely to most crossbars using user-friendly U-bolts, making installation straightforward and stable. To protect both your cargo and the basket, rubber caps are included to cover the U-bolts, preventing scratches and damage. Finished with a durable powder coat, this cargo basket offers excellent resistance to rust and weather, ensuring long-lasting performance and rugged use. Whether for road trips, outdoor adventures, or extra hauling needs, this cargo basket is a reliable and practical accessory to boost your vehicle's carrying capacity. Our third product is Apex UPUT Rack V2 Universal Steel Overcab Truck Rack. This overcab truck rack is a versatile and sturdy solution for adding extra storage above your truck bed and cab. Ideal for hauling ladders, conduit, wood, and more, it helps maximize your cargo space without compromising your truck's interior. The overcab design includes 5-inch guardrails to protect your cab from damage while securely holding your gear in place. Installation is quick and hassle-free with a no-drill, clamp-on system, and the removable rear bar allows for transporting taller items with ease. Constructed from durable, powder-coated steel, this rack supports up to 800 pounds, ensuring strength and longevity even under heavy loads. Its adjustable width fits most pickup beds between 49 inch and 64 wide, making it a flexible option for various truck models. Combining durability, convenience, and protection, this truck rack is perfect for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone needing reliable cargo support. Now number 4, Munirater Universal Black Roof Rack. This roof rack crossbar is designed to fit cars with a flat roof width of 110 to 114 centimeters, measured only across the roof, sides not included. It enhances your vehicle's sporty appearance, giving it a fresh, stylish look. Made from heavy-duty materials, the crossbar reduces vibrations while driving, ensuring stable and secure performance. Its strong construction allows you to carry large items like camping gear, luggage, or utility loads on your roof, freeing up valuable interior space. The crossbar is engineered for a precise fit and excellent durability. Installation is straightforward and fits perfectly, though professional installation is recommended to ensure safety and optimal performance. Overall, this roof rack crossbar is a reliable and functional upgrade for drivers needing extra cargo space without compromising style. And our last choice is Tanx Roof Rack Crossbars. The Tanx Universal Roof Rack is designed for vehicles with raised side rails measuring 1.5 to 2.5 inches in diameter and a track diameter under 1.77 inches, with at least half an inch clearance from the roof. It fits a wide range of popular models including various Ford Explorers, Jeep Cherokees, Liberty, Patriots, and Subaru Foresters, Outbacks, and Crosstreks. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no drilling or cutting, thanks to pre-installed rubber clamps and included tools. The aerodynamic aluminum crossbars with rubber strips significantly reduce wind noise and resistance, enhancing your driving comfort. Built for durability and safety, it features locks on both sides to prevent theft and rubber clamps to protect your vehicle's rails from scratches. Lightweight yet strong, this rust and corrosion-resistant rack supports loads up to 200 pounds without bending or deforming, making it a reliable choice for carrying your gear securely and quietly. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.